Hello my dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a Telegram mini app like Tapswap. Let me show you how our bot works. To start, we need to start the robot. We will receive a message that we need to tap on the play button. Our mini app will open. In this robot, like Tapswap, we have to click on our coin to be able to mine coins. As you can see, you will receive one coin with one click and it will be added to your balance. You can mine 5,000 coins daily, of course you can increase it. In the bottom section, that is the menu, you have access to the robot's features, which consists of 5 buttons, each of which I will explain to you. By clicking on the referral section, you will enter the referral page, where you can see the people invited to the robot with your link, and by clicking on the copy button, you can copy your link and send it to your friends. You enter the robot. In the tasks section, you can get a significant amount of coins by doing missions in this section. You can see that by clicking on the button, you can complete the mission. In the boost section, you can increase the speed of your coins by getting daily boosts. And in the boosters section, you can upgrade your robot to increase your mining speed. But in the statistics section, you have access to the number of your mined coins and the statistics of the robot, which includes the number of users, the number of daily users, and the number of online users. You can see that our bot or Telegram mini app works well without bugs and low speed. The bot also has Telegram glass buttons that you can click on to enter the bot's channel or click on the other button to be directed to the bot's support. Also, the bot has an inline keyboard menu section and it is divided into 3 buttons. Each of them has a task. By clicking on the inventory button, you can see the extracted coins and the number of invited people, as well as your referral link in this. This message is displayed by clicking on the withdraw button. You can withdraw your coins from this section, but there is nothing to withdraw until the time of listing. But by clicking the invitation button, you will be able to receive your referral link and get more coins by sending it to your friends and acquaintances. And these are the Telegram mini app codes similar to Tapswap, which we named BlueSwap, which I think you have understood by now. As you can see, everything is in order and ready to use. You can receive this source by sending a message to our Telegram. Our Telegram link is available in the description and comment. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to send a message to the ID in the description to get the source of this Telegram bot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.